What's going to go down as the most ridiculous case in Georgia history continues to get even more ridiculous as Young Thug's attorney, Brian Steele, actually got arrested in the courtroom during day 88 of this unprecedented trial. I'll do my best to break down what happened. Essentially, Thug's attorney got word of a private meeting that apparently happened between the Fulton County District Attorney, Fonnie Willis, and the judge overseeing the YSL trial, which is Judge Glanville. And apparently, Thug's attorney told him information that he wasn't supposed to know, which was one of the lead defendants in the case, Lil Woody. Apparently, he admitted to doing certain things, and apparently there were threats made to Lil Woody that if he didn't cooperate, certain things were going to happen to all the other defendants in the case. Again, Thug's attorney kind of said those things out loud in the midst of the trial. He said that's coercion, witness intimidation, ex parte communications, that we have a constitutional right to be present for, speaking about the defense. The judge argued that Thug's team was not privileged to said information and said meeting, and that he has the constitutional right to have a meeting with one party and not the other. I'm summarizing here. The judge demanded that Thug's attorney give him that information, or at least the source of how he found out about said meeting that appears to be true. Thug's attorney refused to give up that information, which at that point in time he was brought in for contempt of court and now will be sentenced to the next 10 weekends in jail, just the weekends only, at Fulton County, where apparently he will actually have time and access to talk to his client, Young Thug. He's now gonna be in jail with Young Thug, which I'm sure he's gonna find a loophole to get up out of that. But what a crazy turn of events. Please, I hope you were able to bear with me. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm no legal expert. But again, the quickest breakdown I can tell you is it looks like Thug's attorney got word of a meeting between the state and Judge Glanville, and also Lil Woody, who is one of the lead defendants in the case, who previously agreed to testify, right? He's been going back and forth with wanting to testify versus not. It looks like some promises or threats were made to Lil Woody, and Thug's team is like, yo, we should have been privileged to that conversation. The judge said, no, you shouldn't. I got the right to do whatever I want, per se, in regards to meeting who I want with. And now we got this whole big mess, and every day just looks like we're gearing towards a mistrial, which, again, I don't know the legal system enough to know if the messier it gets, the more closer we're going to get to that mistrial. I don't know who's got the lead right now. It doesn't feel like any winners are happening in this one. The best I can tell you is I will continue to keep you guys up to date as it goes forward from here. We got attorneys getting arrested, all type of mess, drugs being brought in by attorneys, Magic City runs by attorneys. The freaking judge had a freaking dog in the courtroom at one point. This is the most ridiculous case I've ever seen in my life. Nobody looks good. The district attorney got improper relations. Lord have mercy. Time, love, and support is what your boy will never take for granted. The latest, the greatest, the not so greatest with the state versus YSL. I'm out. If you are like me and love flexing your NBA knowledge, you should head over to the best place to play fantasy sports. That's Underdog Fantasy. For me, I love the pick'em game. It's super simple to play too. All you got to do is go to the Underdog Fantasy website or app, pick whether a player will have a higher or lower stat line for that game, get all your picks right, and you can win up to 20 times your money. And when you sign up, if you use my code FERRO, your deposit will get doubled. You can't beat that. Again, head over to today's sponsor, Underdog Fantasy's website or app, use my code FERRO, and your first deposit will get doubled. Do you want to see your favorite athlete live in action next time they're in your town? Or do you want to see your favorite artist performing in concert next time they're in a city near you? Head over to the SeatGeek website or app and use my code HoopsPharaoh for $20 off your first purchase. Make sure you subscribe to the It's Mr. Taliaferro YouTube channel, and hey, donate a super chat. Follow me on Facebook at It's Mr. Taliaferro, cop a supporter badge. The Underdog Fantasy promo code is Pharaoh. The SeatGeek promo code is HoopsPharaoh. And follow me on Twitter at It's Mr. Pharaoh.